Hey Seth, it's Mrs. Burke. I want you this week because you actually already completed your assignment for the week. Congratulations. You scored 100 for your skip counting. Great job. So what I want you to try to do for the rest of this week, and you can do it 30 minutes at a time, that would be great, is try the diagnostic. It's going to be quite a few questions, so you're definitely going to want to take this a little bit at a time, okay? But give it a try. It's going to level you out and see exactly where your weaknesses are, where your strengths are, and help pinpoint some great assignments for you. If that gets too frustrating or you're like, I don't want to do that anymore, go back to the learning and pick a topic. If you don't get through the diagnostic this week, that's fine. You have time. Go back to any of these other topics here that you and your mom may want you to practice. I have 2 more assignments starred, but those are going to be next week's topics for you. I'm only going to give you a max of 2 topics a week starting next week. So next week you'll be counting coins and bills, and then you're going to be working on some matching clocks and times. But any of these other ones that you would like to try, give them a whirl. See how you can do at them. There are so many options for you. You can try, going up. If you are feeling frustrated, you want to go down, see where see where you want to be at, see what you want to try. There are a lot of options for you. So great job, already getting some work done. I'm very proud of you. And keep it up. 30 minutes a day will keep you on your math track. All right, Seth. Well, keep doing your math, and I will talk to you later. Bye.